Experience what upscale living really is at Luxe Ripon. This gorgeous property has lots of amenities that will let you enjoy life to the fullest. The beautifully landscaped grounds are ideal for walks, and you can bring your pets for company. For even more fun, you can go for a swim in the pool, invite your friends to the barbecue area, or spend time at the playground. Your brand new 1, 2, or 3-bedroom apartment home has been fitted with the most elegant and comfortable features, such as a relaxing living room, window treatments, stylish baths, large cozy bedrooms, a dining area, and a well-equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances, gas range, and granite countertops. You'll also have an in-home washer and dryer, along with covered parking options or a garage with opener. Convenient to freeways, our spot in Ripon offers an array of easily accessible schools, parks, restaurants, and shops. Visit Luxe Ripon today and let us welcome you home.